Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today here we are going to have the part, of you guys that will do the comprehensive exam, and hopefully, you guys already watched the previous 3 videos about comprehensive exam. So that will help you guys to know what you are going to do when I ask you guys the question. Okay, and then it will be the same like the previous one. Our session here will be divided into 2. The first here, it is about the educational concept, and then second one, it will be about Islam and Muhammadiyahan. Okay. And then, before we are going to start this comprehensive exam, I would like to ask you guys to please try to read or recite Al-Fatihah. Hopefully, we can do this comprehensive exam without any other kind of problem. Okay, let's read Al-Fatihah together. Start now. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully, after praying, you guys now already have your answer for all the question that I will give to you guys. And then, how that we are going to do this one, I'm gonna give you one question, and you have to give different kind of answer. Okay? One question, and then you will come with different kind of answer. My first question, if you guys here learn about learning material, and then also about teaching technique, and then also about teaching strategy, teaching media, or teaching method, or any kind of teaching and learning process, there are several things that you have to consider while preparing the learning and then while preparing the teaching. Okay. Now the question, what are those that you have to prepare while teaching, and then what are those that you have to prepare while learning? So it is 2 different kind of term. The first, it is teaching, and then second one, it is learning. Okay, thank you. That will be the first question for you guys. Now, which one gonna go first to try to answer this question, please? Come on. Okay, the first, it will be from Karima. Come on, Karima.
I will choose cooperative learning method. Hello?
Okay.
I will choose cooperative learning method because I think cooperative learning method that advantage for students that can allow students learn each other about skill, attitude, social behavior, and make it easy for students to make social adjustment, and also eliminating self-fitness from students. The purpose cooperative learning is to improve academic learning student and also development of social skill. Then if I implement this method, I will divide students with similar group. Then I will choose one person every group to be leader. Then he or she has responsibility to manage or to teach their friend, her friend or his friend. But the teacher will she will also what we'll see how how student learning like this.
Thank you very much. That was from Karimah Adawiyah. And then now, who's gonna go for the second? We try to answer this question, please. Come on. Come on. Who's gonna go for the second?
Vira, sir.
Okay, Vira, come on, Vira.
Okay. The first, the teacher must make planning for teaching. Teacher can make the innovative teaching media in his planner. So the second, when he implementing the media, the teacher can make the teacher can use the innovative media like game, example a game for grammar. So like that.
Okay, anything else? No?
No.
Okay, thank you. Next, after Vira, who's gonna go? Okay, Condila Paulia, come on. Your turn.
As a teacher, I will plan my learning with syllabus, and I will prepare RPP or RPP, and in implementation, I will follow the book, the book or module, and I will use with the media or game that relate the material on the book, and we will discuss and sharing with the student. Enough, sir.
Thank you. Next.
Ari.
Tiara or Ari? Oh, Ari. Come on, Ari.
Ari dulu.
Ari, come on.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As a teacher in the future, first, if I want to teach the student, I will prepare the material and what I want to get in the purpose. First, I will make a plan in RPP. Then find the good material for the student based on the syllabus. Then I choose the media that suitable for the student, maybe in senior high school and in junior high school is different. That I as a teacher should find the suitable media for teaching, and then I have to measuring, and now the student got or not the material, understand or not the material. Enough.
Thank you. Next, Mutiara Indahsari.
Okay.
Wait a second, Mutiara Indahsari and also Condila Polia, would you please try to make your smartphone landscape so that can be in a full screen?
Gini, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, next, your turn, Mutiara. Would you please try to put your
Yes, sir.
please landscape first?
tidurin.
Ya.
Saya jadi nunduk, Sir.
That's okay. Soon that will. Okay, would you please try
Udah.
to prepare that one, Kondila? Kondila, okay. Why you're smart? Okay, come on.
Udah, Sir. Suaranya kedengaran nggak, Sir?
Yeah. No bahasa
Gimana,
Allah
Sir,
to this
dibikin
Oh, ya.
recording.
landscape-nya?
Not using bahasa.
Sorry, Sir. Sorry, Sir.
Kondila, try it again.
First,
Wait a second, Mutiara, because it's only Kondila here. It seems like only this tiny picture. Try to move your smartphone, please, Kondila. Try it.
Like this?
Okay, no. Try the other part. Okay, that's okay then. Just leave it. Thank you. Come on, next, Mutiara. Tiara, come on.
first, yes, Sir.
Yep, come on.
Understand the content of curriculum and create my own syllabus, and then handle routine my lesson plan. When the implementing for student, I using the some media for interesting student, like application or games or something about technology for interesting student in the classroom. That's it. That's enough.
Okay, thank you, Mutiara Indasari. And the next question. Before you're going to be a teacher, guys, you have to understand what does it mean by teacher, and then what does it mean by teaching, right? My question, teacher, teaching, and education. Can you try to please make these three words into one comprehensive meaning? Into one comprehensive meaning. Teacher, teaching, and education. Come on.
In one sentence, Sir?
In one comprehensive meaning. It is not in one sentence. Come on.
Don't get it, sir.
Okay. Try here to make it related between teacher, teaching, and education. So it will have the comprehensive meaning. Come on. Teacher, teaching, and then education. Come on.
We describe it one by one.
It's up to you. Just try to make these three words here so it has one comprehensive meaning. Come on. Who's gonna go first? Okay, Karima, come on.
If teachers is known subject, subject will teaching student. Educate, if teaching just give the student material, but if educate not only material give to student, but also about attitude and how the way to student to improve their ability, skill, like that, sir.
Anything else?
Yes.
No? Thank you. Next.
Ari.
Ari, come on.
Okay. Teacher is the people who give an education for the students, while teaching. The teacher give another materials, discipline, and education.
Come on.
First, teacher is a people who give the material or an education to the student. Then, while teaching, the students got the information or knowledge from the teacher. And the education is knowledge that the student we have to get from the teacher. That's all, sir.
Next, come on. Okay,
Tiara,
Kondila.
sir. Tiara. Oh,
Kondila,
Kondila, sir.
Come on.
Yaudah Kak Tiara dulu deh.
Okay, come on. Who's gonna go next? Come on.
Yeah, Tiara, sir.
Okay, come on.
Teacher is a role model for student in the school and teaching. Teacher gives some material for student, and education is a science for knowledge. Give the teacher to student. That's enough.
Thank you. That's an impressive answer. Next.
Teacher whose people give knowledge, give the student knowledge in the school, and he or and they teach we become disciplined people, can become character, good character, and the teacher can be teach in until we high education. Enough, sir.
Thank you very much. Next. Next.
Vira, sir.
Okay, come on, Vira.
A teacher is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, and teaching is sharing about experience and knowledge. Also, the education itself, the process of receiving knowledge from the teacher. That's all.
Thank you very much. Anyone else? No?
No.
Okay.
No.
Thank you. Next question. You guys already explained about teacher, teaching, and then education. Now, my next question, I want you guys to please try to make an analogy of learning process. Come on. An analogy of learning process. Come on. Analogy of learning process. Come on. Long time ago when I was taught you guys with the learning evaluation, I guess, or any other subject, I already mentioned about analogy, right? And then hopefully, guys, you still remember, yeah? Come on. An analogy of learning process. Come on. Analogy of learning process. Come on. Who's gonna go for the first?
Excuse me, sir.
Yep.
Structure from start and until finish the teaching.
It's up to
process.
You. Yeah, it's up to you. Any kind of process that you want. But my point here, it is an analogy of learning process.
Oh my.
Okay, let me give you the example then, if you guys still confused. Okay, if a farmer, okay, a farmer here plant their or his or her seed, yeah, then after planting the seed, so the farmer, they will have their harvest moment. Do you understand? Hmm?
No.
No? Okay, another kind of example.
In education, sir. Yeah,
Yep.
in education, example in education, not
Okay, that will
in
be that.
farmer.
Yeah, that will be easy for you if I give you the example in education. Yeah. Okay, let's try this one. A bank manager, okay, try to improve the bank income. Okay, to improve and then to develop the bank income here. So the bank manager try to do an innovative kind of program or try a creative kind of technology in it. So the income of the bank here can increase. Yeah, do you understand? Okay, come on, Ari, it seems like you got my point. Come on, would you please try to be first?
I tried
Okay, come on.
first. The teacher prepare the material for teaching. Then the teacher find the suitable media for the material to increase the skills. For example, one skill in speaking. The teacher choose media like song to increase their speaking skill. Then in the class, the student practice their speaking skill to sing a song with the teacher. Then a lot of practice uh, to to become a good speaking, to
Anything
get
else?
the purpose in speaking.
Anything else?
Enough said.
Thank you. Next, please. Next. Next, come on. Who's gonna go next? Come on.
Vira, sir. Vira.
Okay, Vira, come on.
Okay. In because now all school what is make school from home. So the teacher should plan about the best media or the best method for e-learning and or a school from home. So
Okay.
I think the best method while e-learning the teacher uh, can make lesson using Google Classroom or Edmodo that can be um, can be effective while study at home. That's all.
Next, come on. Okay, Kondila, why it seems like you are unhappy, yeah? Vira, please. Seems like this one. Come on. Come on, Kondila.
Everything, yes, sir.
Okay,
Not
anything.
anything.
Yeah,
Not process learning.
it's up to you. Anything, come on.
If I have new school, I build school in Bintaro. Misalnya Bintaro. And I will recruit a teacher from abroad, and I will discuss what the method good with this school, and I will make the good program for the school, and we will we will have income. We will have a good income. A good student will come in my school. Enough, sir.
Thank you very much. Next. Come on. Okay, Karima. Come on. Karima or Mutiara?
Karima,
okay,
Karima.
Come on, Karima.
We have known what happened in situation and technology. Maybe like what happened today. There is coronavirus. Then the teacher must have a new method to teach a student. Now, a teacher must be able to teach students with distance, like study from home. So the teacher must be able to improve their own creativity in technology.
Anything else? No?
No.
Thank you. Next, come on.
Okay, before learning process, today in new normal for student, and teacher must be a good innovative for the online course or e-learning, and teacher must be prepared lesson plan or content in curriculum about a new era or new normal. I think teacher must be prepare some application interesting for student, and student make it easier for to use. That's enough, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Anyone else? No one?
No, sir.
Okay, so the easiest kind of answer for this question here, an analogy of learning process. Yeah, if you guys, this a glass, yeah, this one a glass, and then you try to fill it with a water. This is a learning process. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Dari tadi
That's
kan, sir,
what I
pakai gelas.
mean.
Oh my
That's
God.
what I mean. An analogy of learning process. And I have no idea. You guys have different kind of answer. Okay, next question. Yeah. Next question then. I want you guys to please try to explain what does it mean by behaviorist.
Behaviorist.
Yeah, behaviorist.
Behaviors.
Theory of, yeah, about behaviors. Behaviorist. Come on.
The stories of
Come on. Anyone will go first? Okay, it's look like Ari. Ari, you're gonna go first.
No.
Come on. Come on.
I will try, sir.
Okay, Karima.
Behaviorism is habitual action of humans, which human do repeat and again, like this, of human or system or organization, like that, sir.
Anything else? No? Thank you. Next, come on. Okay,
Fira.
Fira.
Behavior is the action and mannerism made by individual, organism, system, or in conjunction with themselves or in their environment.
Next, come on, after Fira. Okay, Kondila.
Theory behavioristic is learning a change behavior as a result and the interaction between stimulus and response.
And then?
And then tadi kayak Karima, like Karima again and again to do. Sir, enough.
Okay, thank you, Kondila. Next, please. Okay, Ari.
Behaviorism is that the interaction that we did in several times with maybe in sometimes and some interaction and will always do.
Always
again and again.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ari. Next, come on. Mutiara.
Tiara, sir.
Okay.
Behaviorism is a conditioning as an individual makes an association between a particularly behavior and consequence. Enough, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Next question. I want you guys to please choose one of the subject that you guys learn from the first semester. Start from Karima. What kind of subject that we'll try to choose for the first semester?
Morphology.
Karima?
Morphology.
First semester. Yeah, first semester, please. Any kind of subject?
Aika.
No, Islam and kemudian will have it in other session. Ya, second section ya. Come on.
Moment, sir. One semester. I forget.
Okay, Mutiara Indasari, what is it, the subject that you still remember for the first semester?
First semester, I remember the speaking, sir.
Speaking, thank you. Next, Ari. Wait a second, Ari.
Basic grammar.
Basic grammar, nice choice. Next, Kondila Polia, what is it that you still remember?
Basic reading.
Basic reading. Fira?
Listening.
Listening.
Listening one.
Listening. Karima? Karima?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Okay, thank you very much. Now the question. Start from Mutiara Indasari, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Since you learn your first semester, it is about speaking. So in my assumption here, you have your basic understanding about what does it mean by speaking and what are the important roles in speaking. Come on.
Okay, for the first semester in speaking, I learned basic speaking of practice for pronunciation and try to talk with English, sir.
Do you understand my question?
Yeah.
Okay, let me repeat it for you. Since you learn about basic speaking, so you have your own understanding. What does it mean by speaking? first, yeah, and then the rules in speaking. Come on.
Speaking is important for me because I learned first semester and I try to speak in English for the first semester. That's all, and I learned to pronunciation. That's all, sir.
Okay, thank you. After speaking, now let's go to listening. Okay, Vira Lutfi. Listening, okay, there are several kinds of listening. Would you please try to mention several kinds of listening, please?
Listening, the first is informational listening.
Informational listening. And
yeah,
then?
The second one is critical listening.
Okay, that's enough. Now, what does it mean by informational listening? And then, second one, critical listening. Try to enlighten us. Come on, try to enlighten us with your comprehension about what is it?
Informational.
Okay, informational listening.
And critical
Second
listening.
one, critical listening. Come on.
Yes, informational listening is listening to learn. Yeah, that. And critical listening is listening to evaluate and listening to evaluate and analyze.
Anything else? No?
That's all.
Thank you. After listening, now let's go to Bahasa Indonesia. Oh, what a wise choice here that you have, Karimah Adawiyah. My question for you, Karimah, learning about Bahasa Indonesia, you already learned about several types of literature in Indonesia. Can you please try to mention it?
Narrative text.
Come on.
About narrative text.
Just answer my question. Can you mention the literature in Indonesia, please?
Lecture.
No, that wasn't the lecture. Literature.
Literature.
Okay. In Indonesia, come on.
Yeah, about narrative text and descriptive text.
Okay. And?
Narrative, descriptive, and
Majas.
Okay, thank you, Karima. So what I mean here by literature, talking about literature, especially in Bahasa Indonesia, there are several forms or type. First, it can be poem or poetry, it can be play, yeah, and then it can be novel, yeah. Thank you. Next, let's go to Ari. What is it? The subject that you chose, Ari?
Basic grammar.
Oh, nice one. Basic grammar. Okay. My question for you, Ari. Basic grammar. How many basic grammar that you got from the first semester? Will you please try to mention it and then give us the explanation, please?
I got 8 tenses.
Who's that? Come on.
I got 8 tenses for basic grammar. And just it, sir.
Okay, try to explain the tenses then. please.
First, present tense. Second, present perfect. 3, present continuous. 4, present perfect continuous. 5, past past. Six,
What else? Come on.
past perfect.
Mhm.
7, past continuous. 8,
Mhm.
past perfect continuous.
Okay. Anything else? No?
Enough, sir.
Thank you. Last one here, it's Condila Paulia, right? Condila,
Yeah,
is it the subject that you still remember?
basic reading, sir.
Okay, basic reading. Interesting. Uh, when you guys learn about basic reading, you already learn about types of sentences. Yeah? And then how that you are going to arrange the sentence into one simple meaning. Would you please try to explain your comprehension about basic reading, Condila? Why you are freezing?
We always
And where is Condila? There we go again. Condila?
I think she got the trouble for the signal.
Maybe it is a poor connection, yeah? Okay, let's skip her then. Yeah, let's go to the next question, yeah? Next question. The question here, if the previous one I asked you guys to choose the subject, and then now I'm going to give you a random subject. Yeah. For Karima Adawia, I'm gonna give you here for phonology, and then for Mutiara Indah Sari, yours here will be about morphology. Yeah. And Vira Lutfia here, yours will be. Wait a second. Okay, Vira Lutfia, yours here, it will be about second language acquisitions. Yeah. And then for Ari, the subject for you, Ari, here, it is about sociolinguistics. Yeah. And Condila, can you hear us? Okay, let's skip her then. Come on, who's gonna go first? Karima, Mutiara, Ari, or Vira? Karima. Okay, Karima, my question. Learning about phonology, we learn here about, what is it? Learning phonology is a learning about, what is it?
Phonology is a branch of linguistics,
Okay.
which phonology discuss or study about voice and language.
And?
There is phonetic.
Okay.
System symbol used in the pronunciation of word in any language.
And then? Okay. Next one, who's gonna go after Karima? Come on, who's gonna go after Karima?
Wait.
Come on. Vira.
Halo, sir.
There you go, Condila.
Keputus tadi, sir.
Next, Vira, Ari, or Mutiara?
You can choose.
Wait a second.
Okay, Ari Wiranti then. What is it that I gave you, Ari?
Sociolinguistic.
Okay. Sociolinguistic. It is about a social, it is about society, and then it is also about language. Okay. Based on your perspective here, sociolinguistic simply the terms that refer to, what is it?
Refer to language in other religion.
What is it? Can you make it more clear?
Sociolinguistic is the language in social organization in different regional for conversation.
Okay. And
And as a second language that have in every religion, every country.
that's all.
Yes.
Thank you. Next, Vira, what is it that you
Yeah.
have here, Vira?
Second language acquisition.
Okay. Now I want you to please try to explain the process of acquiring a language, please.
Wait a second. The process, second language acquisition is the process by which people learn
No,
a
wait a
language.
second. No. My question,
What?
would you please explain the process of acquiring language? That's the question. Mention it, please. The process of acquiring the language.
The process. Second language is used to describe any language whose acquisition start after early childhood, including what may be the third or subsequent language learned.
Thank you, Vira. Next.
Tiara, sir.
Tiara, what is it? The subject to you?
Morphology.
Okay, what do you understand? What did you understand about morphology, Tiara?
Morphology is concerned in the internal structure of words and the rules for forming words from their subpart. That's all.
Okay, now what does it mean from your explanation? Come on.
Morpheme is concerned internal of words.
Wait a second, it is a morpheme or it is a morphology?
Oh, morphology, sir. Morphology.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, morphology. Morphology is concerned with internal internal structure of the word and the rule for forming in the subpart. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Next, Kondila, can you hear us here, Kondila? Okay, seems like we're gonna skip her then. Next question. Hello, Kondila.
Leave waiting terus, sir.
I have no idea. Would you please try to sign out first and then try to sign in? Come on. Okay, Kondila?
Can you give me a clue?
Sign out first and then after that one, you can sign in to this meeting.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Wait.
Okay, next question. Next question. The question here, based on your guys' experience while doing teaching practice. Yeah. While doing teaching practice, you guys have several kind of problems, right? Several kind of obstacles, several kind of problems that you have to solve. I want you to please here, each of you guys try to give us your previous experience in solving a problem while doing the teaching practice. Come on.
Problem.
Yeah.
Problem.
Come on.
Problem.
Okay, Ari.
First, I in teaching while I teaching in the school, I got the problem like the student is hard to understand the material because the teacher before use use the board media in teaching. Then I choose and I find and I choose the media for teaching for two students become interesting in learning English. Then
Come on, you.
I give the student new media like watching movie and change the atmosphere in the class, become a suitable learning and comfortable in the class. Then the students will understand the material easier and with fun. Enough.
Okay, thank you. Next one. After Ari, who's gonna go next? Okay, Vira, come on, Vira.
When I did internship in Jogja, the student most of the student don't have any vocab so I try to give them a short movie and then they write the vocab and so the student have to memorize it every day. So I think the problem is lack of vocabulary. That's all.
Next, come on. Next, please. Okay, Karima.
When I teach in practice, I get children with special needs. Then I must be able to make her interest and also enjoy when studying because she different from other friends, and also I ask help her friend to help her to do study like this.
Thank you. Next, come on. Mutiara.
Tiara, sir.
Yeah, come on.
In my experience, I think the teacher is difficult to manage the class student, and teacher limit the research, and then the learning research are not available for all the students.
Mm-hmm. And then?
And enough. That's
Okay.
all.
Thank you very much. And then, how are you, Kondila? Can you
Sir,
hear us? Hmm?
yes, I can hear you.
And then, where is it your
What the
camera?
question?
Where is it the camera? Would you please turn on the camera?
I didn't look you.
And then there you go again. What happened with Kondila? 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 Okay, thank you. Let's keep her again. Yeah. So that's all for the educational for the first session. Yeah, the first section.
Oh my God.
Okay, no more question for the first. And then now we'll go to the second one. Yeah, we'll go to Al-Islam and ke Muhammadiyahan. Okay, and then it's look like Kondila still okay. Just leave her. Yeah, that's okay. Al-Islam and ke Muhammadiyahan. That one, please, each of you here, try to read any kind of ayah or chapter from Al-Quran, yeah, that explaining about amar ma'ruf nahi munkar. Come on. Okay, Karimah.
ولتكن منكم أمة يدعون إلى الخير ويأمرون بالمعروف وينهون عن المنكر وأولئك هم المفلحون.
Thank you, Karimah. Okay, thank you. Next, after Karimah. Okay, Ari.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. أرأيت الذي يكذب بالدين فذلك الذي يدع اليتيم ولا يحض على طعام المسكين فويل للمصلين الذين هم عن صلاتهم ساهون الذين هم يراءون ويمنعون الماعون.
Thank you, Ari. Next. Mutiara, Tiara, or Pira?
Mister, if Sam.
No, it should be different. Come on. Come on, Mutiara. Tiara.
Wait a second, sir.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, while waiting for Tiara and Vira, would you please try to enlighten us with the meaning of what you read, Karima and Ari? Start from Karima. Come on, what does it mean?
What does it mean? Amar ma'ruf nahi munkar is inviting human to the good and prohibiting to the bad, which is referred to Al-Quran and As-Sunnah. For humanize human from backward age to educate era.
Okay, and then? Next, Ari, please. The meaning of what you read earlier.
It's about how to be a good Islam for to care care to kids who parents are passed away, and then care to duafa. I don't have any idea.
Thank you. Next, come on. Fira or Tiara first? Fira, come on.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Afala yatadabbaruna al-Qur'ana am ala qulubin aqfaluha. Surah Muhammad ayat 24.
Okay, the meaning?
Oh,
Come on.
skip, sir.
Okay, Tiara.
Amal ma'ruf nahi munkar, sir.
Okay. Come on, Tiara.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ilal ladzina tabu wa aslahu wa'tasamu billahi wa akhlasu dinahum lillahi fa ulaika ma'al mu'minin wa sawfa yu'tillahul mu'minina ajran azima. Sadaqallahul azim. Surat An-Nisa ayat 140 and 6.
Meaning, the meaning?
And the meaning is depend and repent and amar ma'ruf nahi munkar.
Thank you. Kondila, your turn, please. Kondila.
What the question, sir?
Any surah or any chapter, any ayah or any hadith that about amar ma'ruf nahi munkar. Come on.
Not sami'na wa ata'na.
What do you mean sami'na wa ata'na?
Hear and doing.
Amar ma'ruf nahi munkar. Huh?
Skip, sir.
Okay, thank you,
Sorry.
Kondila. Second question. How many types of Al-Islam and Kemuhammadihan did you guys already learn? Start from the first semester till the last one. 4? Okay, Al-Islam Kemuhammadihan 1 till 4. Now I want you to please choose what kind of topic that you still remember, Mutiara? From Aika first till Aika 4?
I remember is Aika 4.
What is it? What is it about?
About the development Kemuhammadiyahan and
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Developing Muhammadiyah. Next, Karimah, Adawiyah. Put something that you still remember. What is it?
Aikawan.
Okay, Aikawan. The meaning of? What is it?
Syukur.
Syukur. Okay, thank you. Next one. Fira, what is it that you still remember?
Aika 3.
Okay, what is it?
About muamalat.
Muamalah.
Legacy.
Okay, muamalah and legacy. That's enough. Next, Ari.
Aika 2, it's about ibadah.
Ibadah. And then last one, Kondila. What is it that you still remember?
Aika 1 about akidah.
Akidah. Thank you. Now I'm gonna switch the question. Kiara, you're going to answer here the term that refer to Kondila, and then Kondila that you're going to answer the term that refer to Tiara. Okay? So exchanging term and then try to answer each term. Yeah. And next, Ari, you will try
Yeah.
to answer here the terms that refer to Vira. Yeah. Okay. Vira, you're going to try to answer here the term that from Ari. Yeah. And then Karimah Adawiyah, you'll try to explain the term here that refer to wait a second. It's Ari or Vira? Vira, okay. Then Karima, you have to make the conclusion of each term, yeah, since you have no partner. Okay, okay, Karima. Okay, okay. Thank you. Now let's go, please. Who's gonna go first here? Come on.
Explain, sir.
Yeah, the term that mentioned by Ari. Come on.
I answer from question from who, sir?
From Mutiara Indahsari, you're going to answer, yeah, based on the term that she already mentioned earlier. Come on. And then Tiara, you're going to explain the terms that Kondila mentioned earlier. Yeah. Okay, let's repeat it. What is it that you still remember, Mutiara? Developing.
ICAMPA developing on Muhammadiyah.
Okay. And then what is it that you still remember, Kondila?
IIK 1 about Akidah.
Akidah. Okay. So you
Yes.
have to answer about Akidah, Mutiara. And then what about
Yes, sir.
Ari here? Ari,
Yes, sir.
you still remember the terms that mentioned by Vira?
I will try.
Okay. Wait a
about-
second. Vira, do you still remember the term that mentioned by Ari?
Inshallah.
Okay, now let's go to the first. Who's gonna go first? Try to answer the terms. Come on. Ari, come on.
I will try, sir.
Come on.
In AIKA 3, we learn about muamalah and legacy. It's about daily activity in family, how to be a good family in sakinah mawaddah warahmah, and then we learn about pembagian warisan.
Okay. And
that's it.
That's it. Thank you very much. Next one, please.
Vira.
Okay, Vira.
In ICA 2 is learning about worship.
Okay.
Yeah, worship yourself. Worship is getting closer to Allah. We learn about pray, how kind of pray like sunnah and wajib, and also yeah, all about praise.
Thank you. Next.
And Tiara, Akidah 1, learning Akidah 1 for materi faith and trust to Allah and Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and all about Akidah and Akhlak. That's all.
Thank you. Next, Kondila.
In EIK 4, we learn about founding Muhammadiyah in 8 Zulhijjah, 13 and 30, and that Tarwiyah Day. That is Tarwiyah Day. And then Ki Haji Ahmad Dahlan Tarwiyah is Hajj a day in Islam people.
Okay.
And then Ki Haji Ahmad Dahlan Muhammadiyah must be prepared like people Hajj people. Seperti orang berhaji.
And then?
Yes, sir. And then Muhammadiyah have a identity Muhammadiyah is the first as a renewal gerakan apa sih sir? Gerakan Islam.
Skip it if you have no idea.
Yes, enough sir.
Thank you. Next, now last one. Karima, you're going to conclude all of your friends' answer. Would you please try to conclude it, please?
We learn about akidah and akhlak, which is the human or Muhammadiyah must be able to make good interaction with society around them. And in Aika 2, we learn about worship. Not only worship to Allah, but also worship Hablum minanas and Hablum minallah. We as Muhammadiyah must also contribute in society and education, not only about ritual worship. And in Muhammadiyah 3, we learn about muamalah. We learn about how to be a good family, faraid or warisan, and also buy and sell.
Okay, thank you. And then now last question for Al-Islam and ke Muhammadiyah. Yeah, this will be the last question. And then hopefully guys you can answer this question. Yeah. I want you guys here try to choose one of the former leader of Muhammadiyah and then explain about his program for Muhammadiyah. The ex-former leader of Muhammadiyah then explain his program for Muhammadiyah. Come on. Come on. This is the last question. Come on.
I will try, sir.
Okay, come on, Ari.
The first is probably Ki Haji Ahmad Dahlan.
Okay, and then?
Not clear enough to
he built the innovation that all of Muslim must learning.
And then?
Enough, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next one, please. Next one. Next, come on.
Wait a minute.
Kondila, do you have any answer for this?
No, sir. Bukan no, belum.
No, okay. Mutiara, Tiara, come on.
Not yet, sir.
Karimah, okay, Tiara, come on. Come on. Come on, anyone, please try to give me the answer. Okay, Karima.
Sorry, the leader no or in the past, sir?
Okay, my question, the former leader. Yeah. This one who's got the, it's really noisy. Would you please try to mute it first? Mute it
Like
first.
a printer.
Yes.
Mute your
Dari
audio,
segi
please.
pinter ya?
Mute your audio, please. Mute your audio, please.
No.
Try to mute your audio so I can hear who's... Okay, come on. Mute your audio, please, Ari, Mutiara. It seems like it's from Ari then. Now it's all good. Come on. Karimah? Karimah?
Formal leader, sir. No.
Huh? Former. The last leader, the past leader of Muhammadiyah. And then with his program. Come on.
Project. Vira, sir.
Okay, Vira, come on.
Yeah. Amin Rais.
Okay. Professor Amin Rais. What kind of
Yes.
program that he brought to Muhammadiyah?
Amin Rais start to be wait a minute, sir. Wait a minute, sir. Oh my god.
Come on.
Wait. Oh, wait.
Come on.
Let the other first, sir.
Okay, who's gonna go? Come on, Tiara. Tiara.
Dr. Haidar Nasir, sir.
Okay, come on.
And the organizationnya Aisyah, Gerakan Pemuda Muhammadiyah, and then Ikatan Pelajar Muhammadiyah. That's all.
Okay, thank you. Next, please.
Sir.
Okay, come on.
Kiai Haji Haidar Nasir. The format secara inklusif is Islamic Civil Society. Islamic Civil Society.
And then next, please.
Then
Okay, come on, Karima, if you have anything to say.
Profesor Kiai Haidar Nasir want Muslim Muhammadiyah join to contribute in society also to like education, healthy, public health, and others.
Thank you very much.
Enough, sir.
Okay, Karima, next, please. Vira and Kondila. Okay, Kondila first, come on.
Okay.
Kondila. You still mute your audio, Kondila. Try to turn it on first. Okay, come on.
Kiai Haji Mas Mansur.
Okay, Mas Mansur, Kiai Mas Mansur, come on.
As he joined in organization Syarikat Islam. And then he discipline leader and a good leader.
Okay.
And He learned in Mecca and Mesir.
Okay, and then what else?
And then enough, sir.
Okay, thank you. Come on, last one, Fira.
Yeah. Yeah. K. Haji Amin Rais.
No, Amin
Born
Rais.
in Surak.
Amin Rais. That was from you earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Yeah. Born in Surakarta, and he's more famous in politics. He is in politicus Indonesia that ever be leader of MPR since 1999 until 2004.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, finally, thank you guys. Okay, you guys awesome in giving me the answer. And if you guys already watched the previous comprehensive exam, I asked each of the students to give us a promotion. Now I'll give you here a full screen, yeah. And then you're going to promote our English department. You're going to promote our YouTube channel. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna give you here full screen, and then the speaker view, you're going to be in a full screen one by one. Who's gonna go first? Come on, who's gonna go first?
Make a promotion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My God.
Yes.
You have to promote our English department.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and then after that one, ask them to subscribe to our channel, ask them to like, and then give a comment, and then share the video that we have in our English department YouTube channel. Okay?
Yeah.
So the
Like,
first,
don't forget to watch.
Karimah, and then next one, Pira, and then after Pira, it will be Ari, after
Yes,
Ari, it will be Kondila, and then last one, it will be Mutiara Indah Sari. Okay, now I'm going to give you here to speaker view. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Come on, Karimah.
Yes, sir.
Karimah.
Yes.
Okay, come on.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay, come on.
Want to be a future teacher who is creative, innovative, modern, Islamic, and internationally? Let's join us at Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta, especially in English Education Department. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, like in below.
Next. Thank you. Next. Come on, next.
Pira, ya?
Pira.
Okay. Okay, guys. Don't forget to join our English department for the best future. Don't forget also to watch this video, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, please. Ari.
Okay, guys. Did still confusing to choose major?
Ari, what's wrong with your voice? It seems like you have some trouble on you. Yeah. Okay. Okay, would you please repeat it, Ari?
Guys, did you confuse major in your college? Muhammadiyah University Jakarta in English department in teman-teman in Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta.
Okay, would you please mute your audio, Ari? Thank you very much. That's better, a lot better. Next, please. Next.
Kondila, sir.
Okay, come on, Kondila.
Don't confuse to choose the favorite campus, especially English department. You will get knowledge and you will good future teacher. So you come with us. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Tiara, sir.
Okay, Tiara.
Thank you for watching this comprehensive exam. Please join us to find out more interesting video about learning English. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. That was an impressive kind of promotion. Yeah. Hopefully, after this one, Ari, would you please turn your audio? It seems like it's really okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you Karimah Adawiyah, and then thank you Mutiara Indahsari, Tira Lutia, Ari Wiranti, and then also Kondila Polia for having your comprehensive exam. Yeah. Hopefully after this one, based on all of your answer, hopefully you're going to pass this comprehensive exam. Hopefully, yeah. Please start praying because after this one, you will have an extra assignment from me. Yeah, you better contact me after this meeting. Yeah, you'll have another kind of assignment. If you want, guys, yeah, if you want guys to get your score as soon as possible. Okay?
I know Simon.
Okay, and then one more time, thank you for joining this comprehensive exam. And then as you guys told the viewers here, please kindly don't forget to, to subscribe and then to give us a like and then to give us a comment, to share this video. So this video that can help the other English department student to learn more about what is it look like, what is it like to be an English department student in the future. And then finally,
Yeah.
okay, let's end this comprehensive meeting here with reciting Alhamdulillah together. Finally, Alhamdulillah. And hopefully, guys, we can see each other in a short period of time. Okay, and then the last. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Give me
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, and then hopefully after this one, I'm gonna upload this video. Don't forget to watch it and then give a comment on it and then push the like.
Yeah.
Okay, see you guys.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.